Okay. Now make him jump. He growl at you?
No. He's like, I'm working for this cabbage.
Oh, that's a good one.
He's like, not while I'm eating. I'm gonna try to get him to come up again.
Put it right on the camera. Oh my God. Carrie Ann, that's crazy.
I'm connected.
You are connected to the bosun's chair. There you go, White. Will you stand back and video this? So let's see what happens here. So what's gonna happen, Carrie Ann, I'm gonna, go ahead, pull it, Sandy. Pull. You can lock it. Perfect, let go now. Sit down, Carrie Ann. Sit down. Sit down, that's fine. Sit feet on the mast. Okay? Bend your knees. Come on, get closer to the mast. You're gonna hug that mast. You got both feet.
This thing just, should this be tighter?
Is that better? Alright, take her up a bit. Watch your dice now. You tell it to stop. When you want. Yeah, that's right. Hold on. Yes, yes. Go ahead. Okay, get on top of that sail back. Keep going. Keep going, dear. Yeah. Hold the green line too, hon. She's gonna lose her phone. Watch this. Bang on the deck right into the water into pieces. Further.
Can I put my feet on here?
That's what I mean. That's all you're going. Okay. Okay, Sandy, take it up 2 feet. Good there. Okay, take your time. Take your time. Carrie Ann. You're looking at the wrong spot, Sam. Right in front of you.
All right. I see that one, but there's one there as well.
Whack 'em. Gladiators. Hit them hard, right in the teeth.